Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Apple's largest iPhone 12 Pro Max finally went on sale for pre-orders this past Friday, and it didn't take longer before shipping date slipped into December, suggesting that Apple has once again perhaps underestimated exactly how popular the 6.7-inch model would be, in much the same way as it did with the standard iPhone 12 Pro. This means that if you weren't fast enough to get the first round of pre-orders, you may now be asking yourself if it's really worth the wait to go for Apple's largest sized iPhone, or perhaps you should have just settled for the older 6.1-inch iPhone Pro after all. This year, however, there is a lot more to the iPhone 12 Pro Max than just the larger size. So basically, we will ask ourselves a question: what is going to be an improved one in terms of iPhone 12 Pro Max? Well, however, under the hood of iPhone 12 Pro Max, it packs a noticeable better cameras in three specific areas. The first one is going to be the more zoom capabilities inside the iPhone 12 Pro Max instead of iPhone 12 Pro. The iPhone 12 Pro was coming with a 2x of telephoto lens inside, whereas the iPhone 12 Pro Max takes that up to the notch of 2.5x length, offering a better optical zoom and increasing the overall digital zoom range to 12 times, as opposed to the 10 times found on the iPhone 12 Pro. As the 2.5 times lens on the iPhone 12 Pro Max actually does have a slightly smaller aperture f2.0 on the iPhone 12 Pro 2 times lens. The second one is going to be the biggest sensor, and likely because of it has more room for it, the iPhone 12 Pro Max also get 47% larger image sensor. This not only means that it will be much better at low light photography, but it also means that it is going to be much more in terms of quality images that is going to be coming from iPhone 12 Pro Max. It will also help out to reduce the noise in the cameras and better dynamic range, as well as better fine details in things like close-up, macro shot and landscape photography. And the third is going to be better optical image stabilization. This time the iPhone 12 Pro Max is coming with a sensor shift optical image stabilization that stabilizes the image sensor itself rather than the lens, providing even better stabilization for the high frequency vibration, such as when shooting from moving vehicles. It's worth noting here that this is only available on the main sensor, however, so you won't gain this benefit while shooting with the ultra wide or telephoto lens. Note that the Apple actually described the iPhone 12 Pro as having a 4x of zoom range and iPhone 12 Pro Max with a 5x of optical zoom range, but this refers to the total range across all the three lenses, which of course include the ultra wide lens as well. While all of that might make it sound like the iPhone 12 Pro Max is much better than the iPhone for photography, it's worth noting that there are other only difference in the camera system. In every other way, the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max have the same photographic capabilities. They can shoot in the same resolutions, record videos in the same frame rates, and features all of the exact same computational photography features. This includes a smart HDR, deep fusion, and a night mode photography, including the night mode portrait photos for the first time ever, thanks to the new LiDAR scanner, which also powers faster autofocus on both the models, especially under low light conditions. Since the iPhone 12 Pro Max also has a room for much larger battery, you will also get a better battery capacity out of the larger 6.7-inch model as well. That's really just the laws of physics and chemistry at work. A bigger battery means more power, and the larger screen of the iPhone 12 Pro Max doesn't consume so much more power than. With that being said, we will have to wait for some real world tests to see how these numbers actually work out in practical daily use. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the iPhone 12 Pro Max in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.